Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to embed a video into a Google Doc so that when you want to watch the video, you don't have to leave the Google Doc. So without further ado, let's climb in. So folks, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, you can go ahead and hit that sub button. We are on our way to 2,000 subscribers, so help us grow. So what we want to do on our Google Doc right here is we're going to select either a word or an image or any element that we would like to embed our video into. So over here I've got check out this new video. What I want to do is I want to select the word video, and while it's selected, we're going to go up to our menu, and at the top you'll see an insert link. Now once you click on this, you'll have the opportunity to paste a link in over here. You can also search a link, which is fantastic, but if you have a link and you can go ahead, look for your link, you'll find it just over here on the top of this page. You can copy that, and we're going to insert that just over here. Control V, and it's now inserted. We're going to click on apply, and now when this Google document is viewed, that will be where our video is embedded. Once you click on it, a preview will open up, and then you can open up the actual video itself, and here you will find, like a YouTube video, it's embedded right onto your Google Docs. Here you can watch it in YouTube, you can full screen it, change all the settings, and also turn on or off your closed captions. Now, if you want to learn more about Google Docs, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of awesome content. We'll see you over there. Peace out.